Hi, I'm Shelley from Right Priced Real Estate, and today I bring to you this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa in Ciudad Quesada. This property has its own private pool, outside gym area, as well as a barbecue seating area, perfect for dining guests. Come inside and take a look. Now that you've had the chance to see inside this beautiful property, for more details or to arrange a viewing, contact us at Right Priced Real Estate today.